Welcome back. This is the Ghouls Collab. All 2023, we will be bringing you this collab. This theme today is MFN Unicorns, brought to you by Nail Addict She. Yeah, all 2023. Every month except for May and August. Wrong. May and October. I don't know why my brain went straight to August. We'll ignore that glitch in the matrix. October, because it's a Halloween. Like, what the heck? So, the Halloween Spotlight Collab Challenge and the May Spotlight Collab Challenge. Those are the 2 months that this collab will not be broadcasting, so to speak. So, this collab is to bring you horror, gore, twisted, creepy, scary, weird, strange, unusual, that kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like, we like to take normal everyday things and make them just a little not normal. So that's what this collab is for. So yeah, 10 months out of 2023. You all will have some oddness thrown your way. Hope you enjoy that, because I'm here to say that was a challenge. Wasn't supposed to be, but it turned out to be. Because who knew somebody would go, you know what sounds like a good idea straight out the gate? Oh, unicorns. What? Yeah, Nail Addict She. Thanks a lot. Stumped us all right out the gate. So, I mean, who knew? Right down to the wire. Like, what the heck is this going to look like? I'm not impressed. I'll say, not, with your own stuff, you're like, meh. Well, that's where we're at, is meh. Because it is a collage, a barrage, a modge podge. I can't think of anything else that sounds like that right now. Of unicorn stuff. I don't know if I call it a horror set at this point, but it is what it is. You get what you get. We're in there, Category met. Check that box, because yeah, I have used inks, chromes, what else we got in here? Gels, matte finish, shiny finish, a mix of things as well. The inks, no matter the brand, because if you're like me, you don't have one brand, you have several, because sales are what count, then the acetone is the way to go. If you were with me in Halloween and saw the graffiti set, there were some questions with some of the dyes on alcohol or acetone. Yes, you can use alcohol on some of them, but I'm going to say that the acetone works best across the board on all of the inks. So if you need a recommendation on that, there you go. Acetone is where it's at. By the way, did you guys know that if you're still here, you're awesome? I've been gone for a while, like 2 months. Usually I just take December. That's, the family time. But 2 months and 2 weeks I have been gone. So if you are still here, you, my friend, are the rock star. You, my friend, are awesome. Awesome. If you have left, good riddance, piss off, is what it is. But for those of you who stayed, man, y'all are the best. That's what I'm saying. I'll tell you again later that you're awesome, but you already know. Okay, so this, yeah, I'm not usually at a loss for words, but and is a lot of this set. Like, I wasn't pleased with it. Wasn't the best work. I'm not like, hey, check out this set. No. It fits the unicorn category. It checks the box for strange, unusual. That's about what we're gonna go with. Is it fantastic? Absolutely not. Am I gonna be promoting it? No. I wanted to do a 3D, ready for this, corn horn. 3D corn horn. So lame. Okay, I want to do a 3D horn, and the vision in my head versus the actual final product, not the same in any way, shape, or form. Not at all. No, don't even exist on the same plane. So I don't know why what my hands did and what the vision in my head don't match. Don't know. I don't know. It just happens. But I'm not gonna redo it. So you get what you get. It's not bad. Okay, the 3D horn is kind of bad. Yeah. The rest of the set's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Not the best. We have a barrage of things. Inks, hand painting, stamping. You know, I like to mix stuff up, so there's a few different things in here. So I'm sure there's something. There is something that you like to watch, otherwise you wouldn't be here. And one of those has been met for you. So, yay! There's that to look forward to. So this is the reference photo that we came up with, and by we, I mean my daughter and myself. We searched for, I believe, scary unicorns, creepy unicorns, and dark unicorns, and kind of narrowed it down to this particular image to use. I think it fits rather perfectly for the theme. It's the best nail for the theme, and yeah, check that box right on off with this one. I also feel for myself this was the easiest nail to do. Some people might disagree, but let me tell you, I struggle with some of the other easier techniques for other people. This to me is easy. So, I don't mean like quick. Don't get that confused, because hand painting is very time consuming, but I find it easier for me to do. I don't struggle with it. Like, I look at an image or whatever and my hand just goes. So it's not a lot of effort on my part, I should say, to do that, which I know is a struggle for other people. But again, I struggle with some things that you guys would think would be easy, like the stamping. I'd be like, oh my god, it's so easy. I just, that's what my brain does when I go to stamp. It's like, it's a whole debacle. I mean, a whole debacle for no reason. Stamping is supposed to be very easy, you know? Load, swipe, pick up, put down, repeat, basically. No, it's not. It's a whole lot of erasing, redoing, like, I mean, like hours. I'm serious. It's ridiculous. And I don't know. Should be a lot easier. It's way easier now with the gel paints than it was with the regular polish. Memphis. No. To correct the dog. No. It's always something, right? If it's not a dog, it's a child. At least the children are currently in school. Small miracles. Thank you. Christmas break was a long time. They were home a long time, weren't they? Felt like a very long time. Before you know it, blink, boom, summer, they're here again. Who knew that children, they'd be around so much? Like, wait a minute. Why did no one tell me? Small weirdness. See, ADHD, ADD, whatever you want to call it. Squirrel, left field, off we go. Are you guys surviving the weather, by the way? Are you navigating it? Like, what a nutty season of weather. I can't really say season because it's been a while. I mean, I know here for sure It's been a wild 2 years. How about that? It has been a wild weather ride. And I guess we just need to strap on in because it's going to continue. So, yikes, you know? But I do appreciate you all for coming back and hanging in, or just not realizing you were still here. And then when you saw the video, you're like, hey, and came over to check that out. Like, it still counts. Like, you're still here, so it still counts. So you're awesome too. You know what I mean? Awesome. I thank you, basically. Tell me what you think of the set. You don't have to lie. It's okay. Like, I don't think it's the best, but it is what it is. All month long, people, bringing you a collab set. So here you go. Finished. Voila. The people who are in the Squad Ghouls collab, the participants are right here. Their links will be in the description box below. There's the set. I appreciate you watching. Come back for next month's and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.